Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
I've only said you assume even the story is true. What is the justification for his arrest?
माझं स्टेटमेंट फक्त इतलंच असा की justice has prevailed. I trust in law. I trust in judiciary. I had cooperated with the police before. I will cooperate in future. Let the people know the truth. People already know the truth. I don't have to pronounce it. I have to say it. सगळ्यांक सगळ्यांक खबर आसा आनी गोंयकारांक सगळ्यांक खबर आसा.
Who accused are known to you or not?
I don't want to comment any more further because I've already told you that justice has prevailed.
The Panaji JMFC court has granted conditional bail to Congress leader Dharmesh Saglani in the extortion case. Dharmesh was arrested by crime branch on Monday evening. The court has granted him bail on the condition that he has to furnish personal bail bond of 50,000 rupees and 2 sureties of like amount. He has been directed to appear before investigating officer for continuous next 5 days. The court has also directed him not to indulge in any such crime or try to affect any witness or evidence. With video journalist Sirish Kukalkar, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.